Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 3 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 3 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find the list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter time, and the lessons we're going to cover today are elapsed time 1, elapsed time 2, reading schedules, timelines and time patterns, right? So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Let's just start with the lesson. So here I am on the grade 3 math. The chapter we are working on right now is time. Let's just start with the lesson, that is elapsed time 1. Okay, let's just start with the first question. Just listen to me carefully. It is now quarter past 4, right? Quarter past 4 means 15 minutes to 4. That is 4:15. Got it? What time will it be in 1 hour 15 minutes, right? So right now that is quarter past 4. Quarter past 4 means 15 minutes past 4. That is 4:15. And you have to calculate the time that is after 1 hour and 15 minutes. So right now that is 4:15. Add 1 hour, that would be 5:15. Then add 15 minutes. 15 plus 15 is 30. That means it will be 5:30 after 1 hour and 15 minutes. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, it is now quarter to 12, right? What time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? So quarter to 12 means what time it is? Quarter to 12 means still you have 15 minutes to 12. That is 11:40. Hold on. You have to add 1 hour and 30 minutes. That is 11:45. You need to add 1 hour. When you add 1 hour, that would be 12:45, and you need to add 30 minutes. So 45 plus 15 makes 1 hour, right? And the other one is 15, and you need to add hour here. 12 plus 1 is 1, that is 1:15. That means after 1 hour and 30 minutes, it is 1:15. Got it? The correct option is 1:15. Basically, you have to read the time like it is now quarter to 12. Quarter to 12 means still you have 15 minutes to 12, right? Then you need to add 1 hour and 30 minutes. First, you have to add 1 hour, 11 plus 1 is 12, that is 12:45. Then you have to add 30 minutes. So when you add 45 plus 15, you have 1 hour complete. You have to add 1 hour here. And you had left with 15 minutes. So that is 1:15. The correct option is 1:15. It is now quarter to 11. What time will be in 1 hour and 15 minutes? Quarter to 11 means still you have 10:45, right? Quarter to 11 means you have 10:45. That means you have still 15 minutes to 11. Now we need to add 1 hour and 15 minutes. First add 1 hour. That is 10 plus 1 is 11:45, right? Now add 15 minutes. So 15 plus 15 makes 0 and you have to add 1. So 11 and 1 is 12. That means right now here you have 12. The correct option is 12. Got it? The correct option is 12. It is okay. Look at this clock. What time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? So, which is the correct option? What time will it be after 1 hour 30 minutes? Like after 1 hour, that is 12. And 30 minutes means you have 12:30. Got it? The correct option is 12:30. It is now quarter to 12. What time will it be? 1 hour and 45 minutes. Which is the correct option? So 1 hour 45 minutes you need to add to. Okay. So right now quarter to 12 means you have 11:45, right? Okay. First add 1 hour. So it would be 12:45, right? You have 45 minutes. So that is 30 15. Add 15 first. 45 plus 15 makes 0. You need to add 1. That is 1. Now you need to add 30. So that is 130. How 125? You have to add still 30 minutes. It is 130. The correct option is 130. How 125? That is 130. The next one is what time will it be in 1 hour and 30 minutes? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 12:45, right? After 1 hour, it would be no, how after 1 hour that is 12:45. 12, sorry. After 1 hour that is 12:15, right? And add 30 minutes more, that would be 12:45. The correct option is 12:45. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. The next lesson is also same, that is elapsed time 2. Let's start with the next lesson, right? Okay, here I'm on the next lesson, that is elapsed time 2. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay. Rosa make lasagna for dinner. She put the lasagna into oven at 15:30 in the evening and took it out at 20 25 past 6 in the evening. How long was the lasagna in the oven? Okay, you have to calculate the time, right? So we put the lasagna at in the oven at half past 5, right? That means at 5:30 she put in the oven. Half past 30 means you have 30 minutes past to 5, so that is 5:30. And took it out at 25 past 6 in the evening. That means when she took the pasta out, that would be 6:25. You have to calculate how long the lasagna is in the oven. So from 5:30 to 6:25, right? You have just 55 minutes. That means the lasagna is in the oven for 55 minutes. The correct option is 55, right? Yes, that is 55 minutes. Got it? You have to calculate the time duration now. So be very careful about both the times, then you have to do the calculations. Madeline arrived at the dentist's office at 4:55 and heading room. He saw the dentist 10 minutes later. What time was it when Marlon saw the dentist? So he came 4:55. After 10 minutes, what time will it be? Yes, you add just 10 minutes. So for 4:55 plus 5 minutes means you have 5, and add more 5 minutes, that would be 5 5. That means a 10 minute, that is 5 5. When he see the doctor, that is 5 5. Got it? The next one is Alan built a new fence in the yard and decided to paint it red. He started painting it at 10 past 11 and finally finished 1 hour and 45 minutes later. What time was it when Alan finished painting the new fence? Right? The time is when he started, the time is 10 past. When he started painting, the time is 10:11. That means it is 11:10, right? 10 past 11 means that is 11, right? And he finished 1 hour and 45 minutes. That means 45 plus 10 is 55 and 12. That means the time is 12 past 55, isn't it? The time is 12 past 55. Option number. Hold on. Why I have different answer? That is 11:10, 12:55. Time is right. I have the right time, but where is the correct option? Oh, that is 5 to 1, right? Because you still have 5 minutes to 1. So the correct option 5 to 1. Sorry. I thought I got the wrong answer. So that is 5 to 1. I just haven't looked for the correct option. Okay. Colin took a math test. He started at 11:40 a.m. and ended at 12:05 p.m. How long did Colin's math test last? Which is the correct option? Okay, let me just tell you an easier way to calculate the time, right? He started at 11:40, ended up at 12:05. So from 11:40 till 12, he have 20 minutes, right? And then 5 4 minutes, that means the test lasts for 25 minutes. The correct option is 25. Rona arrived at the doctor's office at quarter to noon. She finally saw the doctor to quarter past noon. How long will Rona have to wait? Okay, she arrived at quarter to noon. That means 15 minutes to 12, right? She came at 11:45, right? She finally saw the doctor at quarter past noon, 15 minutes gone to 12, right? So from 11:45 to 12:45, how time it is? How much time it is? From 11:45 to 12, 15 minutes, right? And from 12 to 12:45, you have another 15 minute. So 15 plus 15 makes 30 minutes. That means the total she have to wait for the doctor is 30 minutes, right? The correct option is 30 minutes. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is, okay, the next one is reading schedules. Let's just start with the next lesson, that is reading schedules. Okay, look at the following schedule. When does the train depart from the grocery store? So here you are given a schedule, a complete schedule for a train. That train follows like what time he is on which station, right? The train is on which station. So you can see here you need to see the time for the grocery store. So by the time when depart from the grocery store is, depart means train left the grocery store, that is 1:10 p.m. Got it? Let's just start with the test question. Look schedule. When does essay writing class end? Which is the correct option? Just look at the table and let me know the correct option. What time essay writing class ends? The correct option is 4 p.m., right? You are given the complete schedule. You just have to be careful by looking at the schedule, right? So the time that means when he finished the essay writing, that is 4 p.m. Got it? Let's just start with the next question. No one is answering. Why? Okay, the next one is, look at the following schedule. At which stop does the train arrive at 12:30 p.m.? Which is the correct option? At 12:30 train is at waterfront, right? You just have to read the schedule, just go see. At 12:30 the train is at waterfront. The correct option is the waterfront. Look at the following schedule. When does the modern dance class begin? The dance class begin at 4:55. The correct option is 4:55. Look at the following schedule. When does the train depart from the grocery store? Which is the correct option? The train depart from the grocery store is, yes, that is 1:10. You just have to look the schedule. That is 1:10 p.m., right? Look at the following schedule. What game ends at 11:20? Here is the game that ends at 11:20. That is Thunder versus Blue Jays. The correct option is option number 2. This is Blue Jays game, right? The correct option is the second one. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is timelines. Let's just start with the next lesson. Okay, look at the Halley's timeline. Timeline means you're given a line. On the line, you have mentioned all the times, and above the line, you have given all the activities that they perform on this specific time, right? Look at the Halley's timeline. Select the event that happens first. So you have to select the event that happens first. So go from the right side. That is the first event, right? That is going to gym. Let's just start with the test question. Look at the timeline. Did Sarajevo host the Winter Olympics before or after 1956? Okay, 1956. Here is 1956. Sarajevo host Winter Olympics. Here is, but that is 1983. That means the Sarajevo host the Winter Olympics after 1956, right? The correct option is after. Look at Eva's timeline. Select the event that happens first. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is going swimming. The first event is going swimming. Look at the Mark's timeline. Had Mark graduated from college by 2016? Here is 2016 on the number line and graduated from college. Yes, he is graduated by 2016, right? Look at the Athens timeline. Has Ethan practiced piano by 1 p.m.? So here is 1 p.m., right? The question is, has Ethan practiced piano by 1 p.m.? No. Only at 1 p.m. he just did lunch. The piano practice is after 1 p.m. The correct option is no, right? Look at the Cassie's timeline. Did Cassie run a marathon before or after 2013? Here is 2013, right? And here is run marathon. That means before 2013, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is time patterns. Let's just start with the time patterns, right? Fill in the missing time. You have to, like the patterns you have in number, the same way you have the patterns in time. You have to find the pattern and you have to find the missing number. Like you have 1, then 1:30. That means from 1 to 11:30 the time is decreasing, right? That means the time is decreasing by 1 hour and 30 minutes. So go back 1 hour 30 minutes to 11:30, that would be 10. So the missing time is 10, right? Let's just start with the test question. Okay, that is find the missing time, which is the correct option. So 7 to 5:30, that means you have to go back 1 hour 30 minutes every time, right? So subtract 1 hour 30 minutes from 4, that is 2:30. The correct option is 2:30 it is, because you need to go back 1 hour and 30 minutes, so that would be 2:30. Okay, the next one is very good. Fill in the missing time. So which time is missing? 8 it is, right? The correct option is 8 because the time is increasing by 1 hour. So yes, that is 8. The next one is fill in the missing time, which is the correct one. The correct option is 3, right? The time is growing by 30 minutes, so that is 3. Fill in the missing time, which is the correct option. It's okay. Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 11. The correct option is 11. Fill in the missing time, which is the correct option. That is 10. 10, you have to go back 1 hour 30 minutes. That would be 10, right? Very good. The next one is fill in the missing number, which is the correct option. You have to go back 2 hours. That would be 12. 10, 11, 12. Then from 12 to 2 hours. Fill in the missing time, which is the correct option. You have to go back 2 hours. That is 7. Fill in the missing time, which is the correct option. Yes, 3 it is. Fill in the missing time, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 5. Fill in the missing time, which is the correct option. Yes, that is 11:30. You have to go back 30 minutes, right? That is 11:30. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. We were working on grade 3 math, chapter we're working on is time, and the lessons we have covered today are elapsed time 1, elapsed time 2, reading schedules, timelines, and time pattern, right? So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can contact any tutor on the Skype. They are available from Monday to Friday, 5 to 9. Or either you can join me in interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10, right? So if you have any questions related to the lessons we have just finished, you can please ask. I'm here to answer all and confusions if you have any, right? So please ask question if you have any. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. I'm not on grade 4, I'm on grade 3. Yes, we have you have to complete everything we did today. If you're not doing, you're not reviewing these lessons, how can you keep them in your mind? If you do not review all these lessons, you can forget what we did today, isn't it? Okay, that's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye, everyone.